Okay, we're gonna do a room tour. 5182Z on the Valiant Lady. It is an ocean view room, and we're gonna let Carla lead the way.
Oh, hello. Okay.
As you can see when she walks in,
It is big.
that's what the room looks like. On the left, here's our closet. We're gonna have to get creative with 3 suitcases. There is another closet with a safe, a hair dryer, all these shelves. There's 4 shelves and a basket down there. Cubby over there. And then you walk in, there's our water waiting for us. The mini cooler. The wonderful bed. That's for 2 people, it looks like. We don't know how the third person's going to work. We do have an ocean view room this time. Pretty nice little window there. Have a pretty nice sized TV for all the TV junkies. Let's see what kind of chargers we got in here. Looks like 2 USBs and a plug on that side. Light switch right there. 2 USBs and a charger right there. And then you got that. So plenty of plugs. Check out the bathroom. The showers in the ship is awesome. They have a rain shower and the handle. These soaps are pretty good. But that's our room, 5182Z on the Valiant Lady. It's a, like I said, ocean view. 3 people. To be determined. I'll throw a picture in here how the third person's gonna sleep. So if you have any questions, let us know. So for people who travel with 3 people in a room, this is what the bed looks like. Yes, it is a little messy, but it wasn't down when I did the room tour and I'm adding it, so it is messy, but it comes out the ceiling. It has this fancy ladder that is kind of hard to get out of.
And you have to watch your head when you get on the real bed because you might bump it.
Yeah. We recommend getting one of these. Somebody was giving that away on the ship, so we took it. So yeah, that's what the bed looks like if you have 3 people in the room.